Okay, we've got our bowl blank cut on the bandsaw into a circle, or a rough circle. And there are a number of different ways you can mount the bowl blank on the lathe. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to use the woodworm screw, which will then be held in your 4-jaw scroll chuck. The first thing you need to do is you need to drill a hole to be able to screw this woodworm screw into the blank. I'm going to find the center, and I have the center marked already from where I had the point from the compass. And I'm going to drill a depth hole and from there I'm going to be able to mount the woodworm screw onto the lathe. The first thing I'm going to do is mount the screw in the chuck. And then I'm going to lock the headstock. I'm going to take the blank, and where I have the woodworm screw already held, I will use the lathe to help me screw the blank right on. And you want to snug that right up against the jaws.